Hi folks, this is Hisdad. Welcome back. In front of me I got the Flissa 9-inch fixed blade knife with leather sheath and wooden handle that I got off of Amazon for $20.49. On Prime, being a member, I got it free shipping. This thing is pretty fantastic for just being the price that it is. Let's open it up and take a look, shall we? It does come in a box with some plastic, and that's kind of frowned upon by today's standard. A lot of places are wrapping them in wax paper and shipping them out to you in highly recycled paper to do the best for the ecology that they can. All right, let's take a look at this. This is the knife preparation, maintenance. Let's take a look here. I'll suck it in here so you can see it. All right, if you need to pause that, go ahead. Wooden handle, storage, all that, how to clean it. Okay, so like I said, it's wrapped in plastic, which is, that's kind of 1995, but, what are you going to do? Okay, so let's take a look here. Minimal plastic. It's not all, greased up and oiled up like the stuff coming in from Pakistan or China. But Flissa is coming out there. They're doing a lot of licensing agreements, so it's not that they made this nice so much as sourced it out, found it, and put their name on it. It's got a good buckle. It only weighs 6 ounces. We'll put that to the side real quick. Take a look at this. So, being $20.49, the question is how much is this sheath worth if I have to replace it? Now, I'm going to say $20.49 without the knife. It easily mirrors the price of the knife. It is good quality, folks. It's good rivets, good stitching. There's nothing I could say that's bad about this at all, except for it's worth its money. You look in there, it doesn't need a nylon sheath because it's not crap. Yep, knife just tucks right on in there. The blade doesn't even hit the stitching at all. Nope, good sheath. I like it. All right, let's set that down. Take a look at this knife over here, shall we? Okay, so 6 ounces, 4 inches and a quarter, 4.25 inches for the blade, 9 inches overall. But for being 6 ounces, the company claims that you could pry open oysters, that you can cut paper, just like anything else. It's flush. There's no hot spots. It's got a good ridge. I mean, like if you need to take your fire starter, you can run it down that and start your fire pretty well. And you look at the blade, it is a decent, sturdy blade, folks. I like everything about this thing. Everything about it is fantastic. So we're going to take a look over here. Look at that blade. You don't see any chips. You don't see any marring. There's nothing on there to show you any damage. So this is D2 steel for all of you old timers who need, that old steel that you know how to sharpen from, childhood. Well, there it is. It's D2 steel. With that edge that you get, I mean, like, come on, that's gonna chop your wood. You're gonna be able to baton and do your kindling or feather out your fat wood or everything that you're gonna need to do. You're gonna be able to do it with this knife. But folks, this does remind me a lot of the BPS that you can get for just a couple dollars more. But again, Flissa showing you that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get something that can get the job done. So I tell you this, folks, if you don't have this, get it, go out, take a look at it. It's on Amazon. The Flissa 9-inch bushcraft knife. But anyway, folks, I'm going to be doing a couple more videos. I got a few more of their product coming so that you can take a look at what you can get from their lineup right now. I pretty much got just about everything that you need to see. So anyway, until the next video, this is Hisdad. Remember, please don't run with knives. They're sharp. Again, this is the Flissa that I found on Amazon for just $20.49. Folks, this is a good combo. What can you say? Flissa. They've done it again. Let's take a look here in a little bit, see if Mossy Oak challenges them up with the same knife for just a little bit cheaper. Anyway, this is Dad. I love you. Bye now.